This is a review of USB-C docking station from TobenONE. When you first open it, you're gonna see a quick guide. And here is the USB-C docking station. 10 gigabit per second. 10 gigabit per second. This is USB-C and USB-A. microSD and SD, audio jack or headphone. We have 3 USB-As. On the back side, we have 5 inputs over here: HDMI 1, display 1 and display 2. You can use this USB-A mouse or keyboard. This is the host cable and Ethernet cable and adapter. Bottom part and the top part. Adapter, it is very nice and it has a good quality. Power cable and host cable. Power adapter has 20 volts, 6 ampere and 120 watts. Go ahead and test it. I plug the adapter and we're gonna plug it here. Now you can see LED light is on. Connection with the host cable. Here is the area for host cable. And let's plug it to the laptop. We'll put the HDMI input and adapter. When you insert it, you're gonna see LED light is on. And here is the host cable. This is the host. Now the connection is successful. Second screen. Extend. Now it's extended. Duplicate. And PC screen only. I will use external keyboard and the mouse. Here is the mouse. Dongles. The area right there for the mouse and the keyboard. And the area right there only for mouse and keyboard. Now it's good. Let's extend the screen. And then use the mouse. Everything is working perfect. I will test the data transfer with USB-C cable. File to transfer, it is 1.80 gigabyte. Let's go ahead and transfer it to my laptop. You see, it is only 1 second. I'm gonna transfer this file that's 1.80 gigabyte from my laptop to external SSD. Let's see. It is almost 2 seconds. I can definitely suggest this product because it has so many inputs and the charger is 120 watts and it is very stylish. You see.